Okay, today I want to discuss a worksheet that I use with my students. It could really be used for a review, for a test or quiz. I find that you could really use it anywhere though. It's pretty easy. It's a domino game that I use. I'm going to go over how to set it up, and then if you like and you find that it's useful, leave a comment below and I'll send you a free copy if you want of the template. It's really useful. I find it works really good with special ed kids. But I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's helpful for you. All right, so this is what the worksheet looks like here. This is something that both the kids will get both of. So this is what we're going to fill out. The teacher would have to fill this out beforehand, and then the kids can either write it or cut and paste the domino pieces in here. So it's always advisable to maybe go over how dominoes is played. Believe it or not, some kids actually have never played dominoes before. But I'll show you how to set it up and then how to execute it. The first thing we're going to do is look at the page that says Domino Game at the top and how you want to fill that out. So what you can do is start anywhere, all right? So the answers are going to go in this left column here. So let's say we're doing something, we'll keep it super simple, right? So we'll look at the start one. You can really go anywhere you want, but you have 2 plus 2, right? Obviously our answer is 4. I would suggest to not put that directly underneath. You kind of want to scatter them, all right? And once again, you don't want to use results or answers that may repeat, because then it's just going to make a big mess. All right, so we know that it's 4, all right? Then we'll have our new problem here, 3 minus 1. We know that that's 2, so we'll put that somewhere else over here, all right? You continue to do that until you get to the very end, all right? So how would this work for the kids? Well, they go to the start one, right? They know that it's 2 plus 2. They're going to go over here and see that it's 4, right? So when they cut this out, what's going to end up happening is that they'll cut this out. Obviously, that's kind of a given that they'll put this at the top, all right? They'll glue that in. So then this one's going to go underneath that right here, all right? And then they do the 3 minus 1, and then whatever this is going to be next, like then you do 5 plus 1 is 6, and that could be over here. All right, so it continues. So what I would suggest is, especially if you're working with the special needs population, make sure that before they glue it in, that you check their answers first, because if they glue it in, it's a big mess. Or for sake of time, you know, if a kid's like, you know, you only got like a couple minutes left, you can have them easily just write it in as well. All right, so it's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. I'd be happy to share this with you, so just leave a comment below and I'll do that for you.